discuss about human skeleton system. First, I will discuss about the definition of human skeleton system. The human skeleton system is the internal framework of bones and connective tissue such as cartilage, ligaments, and tendons. It provides shape, support, and protection to the body, facilitates movements, and plays critical roles in mineral storage and blood cell production. The human skeleton system consists of 206 bones in an adult human. Classification of a skeleton system. A skeleton system consists of two parts. First, axial skeleton system. Second, appendicular skeleton system. The axial skeleton system is the central framework of the longitudinal axis that supports and protects vital organs. It consists of 80 bones and includes cranial bones, facial bones, hyoid bones, auditory ossicles, vertebral column, rib cage, sternum. All these are comes under axial skeleton. Let us we discuss about one by one. First, I would start cranial bones. Cranial bones. It protects the brain. Consists of mainly 8 bones, mainly frontal, parietal, temporal, sphenoid, and ethmoid. The second, facial bone. Facial bone, it includes maxilla, mandible, palatine, nasal bone, lacrimal, zygomatic, inferior cochlea, molar. In all this, mandibles and molars are single, rest of them are in pairs. Ear ossicles. Ear ossicles consist of 3 bones, namely malleus, incus, and stapes. So, in both pairs, there are 6 bones are present. Next, rib cage. Rib cage. Rib cage consists of 12 pairs bone. Its bifurcations are as such. First 1 to 7 bones are true ribs. The next 8, 9 and 10 bones are called false ribs, and the next 11 and 12 are called floating ribs. Besides to eat, there is another flat bones, that is a sternum. It is centrally situated of the rib cage, to which ribs bones are attached anteriorly. The second one is a hyoid bone. It is U-shaped bones and present within neck region. The next, vertebral column. Vertebral columns consist of different types of bone. So, first vertebral column, it is bifurcated either into cervical region, thoracic vertebral column, lumbar thoracic vertebral column, sacral vertebral column, and caudal vertebral column. The first, cervical vertebral column, consists of 7 bones. Thoracic region of vertebral column, it consists of 12 bones, whereas lumbar region of vertebral column consists of 5 bones, and sacral region of vertebral column also it consists of 5 bones, but all bones are merged into together, so it is counted as a single bone. Similarly, caudal bone, caudal region of vertebral column, it is made of four bones, but all these together merge into a single bone and count as a single bone. The next part of the human skeleton system is the appendicular skeleton system. The appendicular skeleton system is the part of vertebrate skeleton. It consists of 126 bones. These bones facilitate locomotion, weight bearing, and manipulation of objects. As a function of appendicular skeleton system, it supports and attacks limbs to the axial skeleton. It connects to the axial skeleton at sternoclavicular joint and sacroiliac joint. It enables locomotion, weight bearing, and object manipulation. Under the appendicular system, it also divided into the following parts. The first part is a forelimb. The forelimb in human consists of bones that provides a structure and support for movement of the arm, forearm, wrist, and hands. It includes following main bones of each hand, namely humerus, radius, ulna, carpals, metacarpals, and phalanges. Altogether, it is of 30 bones. Pectoral girdle. Pectoral girdle. It is also called shoulder bone, and it consists of two bones, clavicle and scapula. So both sides of shoulder bones consist of two pairs of bone. Similarly, hind limbs. The hind limb in humans consist of bones that supports weight bearing and locomotion. It includes pelvic girdle, thigh, knee, leg, and ankle, and foot. Hind limb separation of each bone are as such. The first bone is femur, tibia, fibula, tarsals, metatarsals, patella, phalange. And the last, pelvic girdle. Pelvic girdle consists of innominate bone. Number of innominate bone is 2. So, in human skeleton system, it is made up of two parts, either axial and appendicular. An axial skeleton system consists of 80 bones, while appendicular skeleton system consists of 126 bones. So together axial skeleton